Hey guys, what is up? Brian Fan17 here, and today we got the last fan of the night.
Last fan of the
It's
night!
a Casablanca Meridien sealed
Last fan of the night.
in
After
polished
make one right.
brass IntelliTouch with a what kind of light is that?
K4B.
K4B.
I don't know much about light kits.
And the blades are not original. Hey, can you show the original blades
Yeah,
just so the
they
viewers
are.
know what they look like?
Right there.
Hey viewers,
Oh wait, no, I meant.
Oh,
pick
yeah,
one.
sorry. Here.
can you turn the yeah.
Can you? I don't.
There.
Yeah, yes, I can see.
That's one of them right there.
That's one of them right
Okay.
there. He really wanted to test it with my Delta 1 blades. So these are the
These are
blades
Delta
for my
1.
Delta 1. And honestly, it looks sick with cane on it.
I think
so
it does too.
Yeah.
it was a good choice. And it is,
Yeah,
the
increase.
IntelliTouch
Yeah, put it full all the way. Put it all the way.
There we go.
There we go. All right, low.
Here's
Alright.
the. Hold on, I'm gonna get
Why the demo mode first?
top shot. And
Already demo mode?
Well, we
where's the tag?
The tag is over there.
There's the
Oh,
tag.
yeah, you can go check out their video for the tag.
Yeah.
I'll link that.
It's a
Someone tell me
Meridien.
what the date is, but here's demo mode. Oh, hold on.
Here's the tag. Well, let me do it. Maybe it's gonna work
Hold
with me.
You have to do it at like a certain pace.
Oh, there we go.
Demo mode, here we are. Why do we leave the lights off?
Because it's
It's
demo
gonna
mode.
turn on. Wait, I'm the last time. Wait. Speed 1. Speed 2. Speed 3. Speed 5. Explore. Speed 5.
That was-
Speed 6. Oh yeah, it's really flying with those cane blades.
Oh wow, that was a lot of air.
It's gonna go into below that Wireless. I think it's gonna slow down the Wireless.
Oh.
Is it?
It is the way it's.
Oh, it is.
It is.
Oh yeah. All right. That's
Every
demo
fan we
mode.
tested so far, reversible was able to turn that Wireless.
I'm gonna turn the wheelie off.
Yeah,
All right, so we're gonna go through all speeds.
yeah,
now?
that's enough.
I'm gonna dim the light just a little bit. Because it's a little bright.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay. I just want to see if it blows the wheelie. Here, actually, let me stop the wheelie. With my short ass.
I'm gonna put it on speed 1.
Okay. Here, actually, I can get some top shots.
The best top shot ever.
All right, speed 1.
I think it's already up to speed. Isn't it?
I'm gonna do a TikTok of this before I take it down. Especially with the lights off.
Speed 2.
Too.
Speed 2.
Now I have 2 of these. Now I'm thinking about doing a double install. I just need a polished brass K4B. And you guys have one? Please let me know.
One blade is bent down. I'm not sure if it's the flywheel or the
It's the blade. It's not the flywheel.
I can see we're back in the dark.
Speed 3.
The speeds on my Saturn are kind of slow. Like, except high.
Here's where the air starts moving.
Yeah, after that, do reverse on high speed because we'll let it wireless.
4.
Oh, it's already fast.
While I'm down here, I might as well get a shot.
I mean, they looked faster when there's not as much light on
I'll take
It's
a
almost
picture
as
of
fast as my Victorian.
it. In a minute.
And my Victorian's got like solid oak blades.
Speed 6.
Oh,
Barely
yeah.
even wobbles.
Wobbles a bit.
Yeah, a little
Feel a lot
bit.
of
It
air.
sways a little bit. Alright.
Reverse.
Now reverse.
Okay.
This which will blow the fan.
I'll have my camera on
I'm
that
gonna get a shot
wireless.
of both.
it. Yep, it's
Yep.
already going.
Right off the bat. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
Right off the bat.
I wonder how fast it'll go.
Let's see, yeah. There. Let's see if we can actually go reverse.
Why does it look like it's on low?
It's almost getting to be like on.
On factory low, yeah.
I know.
Job shot. Sorry. I was kind of tired.
Is that
Yeah.
it?
Alright, turn it off.
Alright, well, that's it.
Wait, could you turn it off and then put the regular lights on so they can see that?
Oh, yeah.
And then turn the light off.
There we go.
Yeah.
There you go.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed
Yeah,
that.
hope you guys enjoyed.
Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys
enjoyed.
And as
Thanks for
always,
watching,
remember to
everyone.
comment,
Yeah,
rate,
remember to
subscribe.
comment.
Peace.
rate, and